Hi guys, today I have an interesting topic for the video, Mac Amazon S3 client. I'm Mikey and you are on the Electronic Team channel. So let's dive in. Have you ever faced Amazon S3 file upload on your Mac? When my team started using it for file sharing and I was involved in using it, I immediately had a question. Was there an easier way than using Safari and simply using an Amazon S3 client? The answer didn't take long to find. With the help of CloudMounter. I'm still thrilled about being able to use this app for my daily tasks, as it also supports Amazon S3 and allows connecting it as a regular folder to Finder. Let me show you how to do it. Launch CloudMounter and you will see the Connections window. Alternatively, the Connections window can be invoked through the menu bar by selecting the New Drive option. Next, from the list of connections provided, choose Amazon S3. To connect, you'll need an access key and a secret key. Enter them in the respective fields, add a connection name, and click the Mount button. That's it. This is how easily you can mount S3 on Mac. Now your S3 storage will be accessible in Finder or on the desktop. To transfer files to the server or back, simply copy the necessary files or just drag and drop them into the required folder. It works just like with regular folders on your system. You no longer need to log into S3 via Safari and work through the web interface. Now CloudMounter is your best S3 browser for Mac. But I've been using CloudMounter even before I need to work with Amazon S3. I've been using it to connect Google Drive and OneDrive to the system for file transfers on a regular basis. And not just one account. The app has no limits on the number of accounts you can connect to the system, and most importantly, you can transfer files between all storages as if they were your regular folders. Also, if you have many important files and you're concerned about their security, CloudMounter offers powerful 256-bit encryption, making it impossible to access the file contents without your password. By the way, if you're curious about adding other cloud storages such as Google Drive, you can check out this video. And if you're done this, there is a discount coupon waiting for you in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.